Money. What is money? Well, you may ask. Money is just an idea in life for a person to pursue. Is money going to solve your problems? Some say yes, some say no. Honestly, I'd rather be crying in my Lamborghini SVJ or on my $100 million yacht. Others think of it in a different perspective, as I'd rather be in a happy family. But then that also differs that yes, you can be in a happy family, but let's be honest. As a man, what what do we see in our eyes that a woman wants in a family? Stable income. And that's just how men are. Men don't want to create a family before we actually have a stable income. Girls are more on like a time clock. They think by time. They say, once I'm 25 years old, I want to be pregnant. Once I'm 30, blah, blah, I want to be married. All by age. Men don't have biological clock. We have, we only want to create that family, get that marriage once we are financially stable and we can actually support the well-being of others. So I know usually on my channel I do talk about trading and I will get to that. It's just I haven't made a video like this, and I find that it's so important because money is is just an idea. What you really need in life is that motivation. You need that fire in yourself. You need that flame that's going to push you to get to that money. Think of money as the end goal. You as a person are thinking of money as some sort of target to reach. But you need that fuel to actually push yourself to get to that money, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So, bro, now jumping back into my trading aspect of my channel and that my trading mindset, how do you achieve that? Well, bro, you need to practice. You have to backtest. You have to watch videos. You have to educate yourself. You have to find your mentor. You have to find someone that you deeply trust that can bring you that knowledge as fast as possible. And actually, no, not as fast as possible. You have to receive this information. You have to practice this information. You have to just keep redoing it, relearning it. Even if you know what it is, just keep relearning it. And don't rush this phase. Yes, I'm not saying work for 1 week, take a 3 week break, and continue working. No, like work every single day. But don't rush and say, oh my God, by November 3rd, I have to be rich. No, that doesn't work like that. You can't rush money. Money is going to come to you as long as you put in the work. Now, in the trading aspect, you have to back test or forward test. You will never get anywhere in life without practicing. And this just goes for anything. If, say you want to become a lawyer. What do you have to do to get that degree? You need to practice. You need to sit down and study. You need to learn. That goes for anything in life. And what separates from the rich and from the poor? It's a very simple thing. The poor, they say, I want to live a comfortable life. The rich, they say, I want to live a life where I have money that I can do whatever I want with it. And what does that mean? These guys or girls that are rich, they work 20 24/7 around the clock. What are the poor people doing? A 9 to 5. What are they doing after that 5 o'clock shift? When they're done and they get home, what do? They have supper, they go to sleep. Do you see the difference? What does that rich person do? He gets home, say he owns a business. He just finished work 5 o'clock from his shop that he owns. What is he doing when he gets home? He's not sitting down having supper. He's going straight to that office, maybe even skipping supper to continue working. Now that's the difference between the rich and the poor. The poor want a comfortable life where they can just stay in one area, get abused by the government system, getting taxed every single dollar that they make, and they just live a routine life that's on schedule every single day. Wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, be to work by 9 o'clock, eat around 12 o'clock on their lunch break that is probably not even paid for, then come back home 3 o'clock, have supper, go to bed. Rich people don't never, ever, 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 ever have the same clock. They are constantly doing something different. They go to meetings, then they go to business meetings, they go going everywhere. They're going traveling to other countries for other meetings. They never have the same clock. And that's what separates the rich and the poor. Now, being rich is a goal a lot of people want to achieve. Yes. Will a lot of people actually reach that goal? No. I mean, I would say about maybe 2 out of 10 people will reach that goal. And why is that, you may ask? Well, some people, they like the idea of wanting to be rich, but they don't actually put in the work to want to be rich. Now, say for example, Alexander too. He wants to be rich. He talks about it every single day. But what does he do on his free time? He's on his phone, on TikTok, just scrolling. Alexander 1. He talks about being rich. He always wants to be rich. He's first thing on his mind when he wakes up in the morning. And what does he do on his free time? He's on the computer. He's back testing. He's learning new methods on strategies on the stock market. He's learning brand new cryptos in the market, whatever. New stocks to invest, new options. Who do you think is gonna be rich? The person scrolling on TikTok or the one that's actually studying? I think I'll let you answer that for yourself. So I hope this maybe switched a little light in your head. And I hope you coming to this video could have changed something about yourself. And honestly, if you want to be rich, you will be rich. But it's not just the idea. You have that idea, now you have to put in the work. And you're unique because not a lot of people actually have that idea to be rich. A lot of people, they just say, I want to be rich, and Alexander 2 over there is scrolling on TikTok. So I hope this video could have changed something about yourself. And if it did, and if you do want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I honestly enjoy making videos like this, kind of even helps myself with motivation. And yeah. So I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed day. And if you do need a mentor, or if you don't want to pay anything, I have a free link in the description below. Go check that out. It's my Discord. We have a little community. We're all talking. Very nice place just to chill and talk during New York session. If you need a mentor, let me know. I'll give you the link for that. But no stress. And yeah, so hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day.